Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's George, and today we're going to work on the flasher here. As you can see, it's flashing pretty rapidly, and the driver's side's already been taken care of, so I'm going to show you what I did to fix the light there. So for those that are new to the channel, this is the flatbed that I built. I replaced all the lights, put new LEDs on there. And here are the lights that are acting up: the mirror, the headache rack, and the back two lights here. And the way to fix that is to get a resistor and put it in parallel with the two wires leading to your blinker. In other words, it's going to go between the red wire and the black wire there, because these are the two wires for my blinker. The black and white, that's a different circuit. So let's go ahead and put the resistor in place and see what happens. Alright, so like I mentioned, you might need 2 or 4 of these. On the driver's side, I ended up putting 2 of them, and that took care of the issue. Let's try the passenger side. So basically we're gonna feed the wire here all the way to the back, pop the resistor in here, the resistor lead, and we're just gonna squeeze this little metal tab here through the wires. This is the ground side, but on the positive side, I really want the wire to stick under the connector there so it doesn't short out. Alright, go ahead and cover this. You can put tape around it if you want. Like I said, you don't want this wire to be sticking out on here on the positive side, because it will short out. I'm just going to toss this in here, turn on the blinker, and see what it does. Alright, so that looks good. Looks good all the way across. Alright guys, and I got an Amazon gift card here. I'm going to be giving it away maybe in the next video, or if not in the following one. But within 1 or 2 more videos, I'll be giving away a gift card here, and that'll be for any of my subscribers or people that comment or share my videos. So stay tuned, and hopefully this is helpful for you guys, and hopefully y'all learned something. See y'all later. Bye-bye.